little friends, it's Abby. Today we will color whale. Let's start coloring. I color his eyes green. Then I use a sky blue color. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below. The blue whale is the largest animal on the planet. They can grow up to 100 feet long. And finally, I use a blue color. Whales are famous for their beautiful songs. These sounds help them communicate with other whales over long distances in the ocean. Great job! Our whale looks brilliant. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye!